Time for Jim and Stop Trading.
A little note out by KeyBank today, just raising Walmart 87 to 88. They could have also said the same thing about Costco, which had good numbers. And I mention this only because when we were talking about Sembolist and his piece from J.P. Morgan about what could have been a message that the President Biden left on the floor, they never were willing to embrace any corporation. And Walmart and Costco really did keep inflation down. Their goal is to get all prices down to 2019. They succeeded in many cases. But that would have required the president to acknowledge that both Walmart and Costco were superior operators who really meant to help people. But they don't know. They were so out of touch with corporations and so willing to be able to say, unwilling to say, you know what, here's a model. Use the Walmart model. And I regard it, frankly, as either ill-informed or shameful. I don't know.
It's interesting. I mean, he's certainly in autos, went to car plants and did the union thing and talked up EVs.
Well, these are non-union, and
that
Costco's
was the big break. I mean, they made a very significant misjudgment, I think, in terms of thinking somehow unions and the Democratic Party were aligned.
They didn't even win Michigan.
Clearly,
they're not aligned. Didn't get. But their antipathy toward corporations will go down. We'll eventually look back and say they had the same populist view of the 1890s of a group that lost this country. They became irrelevant, and then the Populist Party doesn't exist. And I really feel like every time I try to talk to them about companies, other than Secretary Mondo, they did not like
She talked
companies.
to a lot of CEOs from Mondo.
No, other than her.
Yeah.
They didn't like companies. And they could have gone to a Costco and say, you know what, this is what I like. This is what American supermarkets should do. But they didn't they didn't know Rich Galanti, the CFO, for more than 30 years. They were tone deaf.
Almost the opposite of the roundtables we got in the first Trump White House. Day after day.
Exactly.
After day.
You needed to be able to say, you know what, Walmart's the largest supermarket in the world. We should all embrace their pricing. But that would have meant something positive about a company.